For the last 5 years, the Alberta Animal Rescue Crew Society has operated a building in Edmonton. In January, the Calgary-based group decided to close up shop in our city. Now another pet charity is moving north to fill the void. CTV's Hogg has more.
Last month, the Alberta Animal Rescue Crew Society announced the closure of the Edmonton North Haven facility they've operated since 2020. We now know who will be moving in.
We thought this would be a really good opportunity to come into Edmonton and help out.
Calgary-based charity Parachutes for Pets is expanding north and will be taking over the area currently occupied by ARCs.
If you're having a hard time feeding your pet, or you do get evicted, or you're in the hospital and you just don't have the means to pay for a boarding kennel or that special bag of food, that's where we come in.
Melissa David is the founder of Parachutes for Pets. She says the goal is keeping pets with their families. That involves working with social workers and first responders.
We're not only helping the pet, we do help the client as well, and we offer support on both ends of the leash.
Parachutes for Pets and ARCs have some similar programs. Both operate a pet food bank and provide care for animals in distress. But they don't offer the same rescue and adoption services, a gap both groups acknowledge.
We're really committed to working with ARCs on is how can we help that.
The nice thing about North Haven was that it was an intake for new animals that were coming in from the north, so those animals will now come just directly to Calgary.
While they do different work, ARC's executive director says their goals are similar.
We've worked with Melissa and her team for a number of years, so I think it's going to be a great resource for the Edmonton community.
North Haven will close at the end of March, but there are still some guests looking for their forever homes. And Parachutes for Pets plans to open in May.
You can have a bad day and you go home and your pet doesn't care. They're happy to see you. And they give you a why, they give you a purpose. So we're doing a massive disservice if we're not working harder to keep people and their pets together.
Hogg, CTV News, Edmonton.